Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya and today uh, I have decided to keep my eyes in match with my lips. So as you can see, I have wore a peach shade of a top. So I have decided to make my eyes peachy and at the same time makes my lips also peachy. So I really hope that you guys will like the look, and if you do, then please guys go check out my channel, do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment on it, share the videos. And if you think that you can ask me to do anything in particular, then I would love to take that up. So please guys go and watch out the video. And if you're watching this one also, so thank you so much for this. I am so glad to know that you are actually taking out time from your busy schedule to watch my videos. So that's really a very big thing to me. So thank you for that also. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's start with the CTM. So for cleansing my face, I'm using this Nivea Refreshing Cleansing Milk, and it is for normal skin. That's how it looks, and I'm going to be using this product on my skin very quickly to actually remove all the dirt that is there on my face. I'm going to take a bit of it on my cotton swab. Just gonna quickly, very quickly. Just feel it all over my face. So I'm done cleaning my face. Let's move on to the next step. So after I'm done cleansing my face, I'm going to use this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. That's how it looks. And I completely love this product because it has this cucumber has those cooling properties, and since the summers is about to start and winter is about to end, so the skin gets altogether a different thing. So at the same time you want to feel that warmness and at the coolness on your face. So I think this product works really well for me. So I'm just using a bit of this amount on my swab and just rub it on my face. But I want to give you a disclaimer about this property, about this cucumber toner, is that it somehow smells like alcohol, so maybe at the same time you might not be able to bear the smell of it, so choose wisely. After I'm done toning my face, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Gel Creme. That's how it looks. I completely love the packaging of this product, and above all it's water based, so I love the product as well because it really penetrates in your skin really well. Just a bit of the amount on my face, and I'm like very much good to go. So I've used it in a very little amount. Just gonna rub it. So once I'm done with my CTM, I'm also gonna moisturize my lips. So for that I'm using this Oriflame Derma Lip Spa Care Lip Balm. That's how it looks, and I'll just quickly use it on my lips. Once I'm done with my CTM and hydrating my skin, the next thing that I'm going to use is I'm going to use the primer to prime my skin, because I think it's very important to prime your face so that your base can be set properly. So for that I'm going to use a primer. So for primer I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer Duo Luminex Face B10. That's how it looks, and I'm just going to use it in a very little amount because it has those glittery properties as well. So whenever you put it on your face actually glitters. So I really like this thing about this product, so I'm just using it all over my face in a very little amount. I'm going to use this brush to just blend it in my skin. Primer gives a really shiny tint on your face, so it actually glows your face altogether, so I really love this primer. So after I'm done with priming my face, I'm going to use this Makeup Studio Professional Makeup in the shade EP064. So I'm going to use this as a base palette, and I'm going to use this shade on my eyes, so to actually cover up my eyes. So because I'm starting my makeup, I always try starting my makeup with eyes, so I'm using this. So I have taken this much amount on my brush and I'm just going to apply it on my eyes. Once I'm done applying the foundation on my eyes, I'm going to use this Fit Me Maybelline 235 Pure Beach Powder, and I'm going to just quickly set my foundation so that there is no crease formed on it. I'm just going to apply it very nicely, and I'm just going to dab it on my skin. After I am done setting my powder on my eyes, I'm gonna use this Morphe palette. It's in the shade 35B. So I'm gonna use this palette to do my eyes today. So as I told you earlier also that I am using I'm trying to do something not contrasting but matching today. So I'm gonna use this peachy shade from this palette, and I'm just going to do my eyes since it's a very basic look that I'm doing. So I'm just going to use one shade only and not more than that. So I'm just going to take the amount on my eyes. I'll remove all the extra stuff and I'll just quickly apply it on my eyes. Very nice shade and it's really sets in so well. So I'm just going to take a little more and I'm going to do that in the corners of my eyes also. Today I'm just going to play only with one color, so I'm just going to put peach on my eye. You can use any palette, any shade according to your choice. You can even do the contrasting looks. That completely depends on you. this was my basic look, and I have done it step by step, and this is like the most basic thing that I have done. I've just kept my eyes very light, my lips also very light, but I have color coordinated them, and at the end this is the entire look that I have created. So do let me know in the comment section below if you like the look, and if you do, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, and please do subscribe to my channel. Lots of love. Bye.